Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. Okay, tonight I am trying out some new things. Everything is pretty much new tonight. Okay, so I'm using new paints. I'm using golden paints. I think I bought the wrong paints. I bought the heavy body paints when I should have bought flow or fluid art paints or something, but I mixed it with Floetrol, so I still have the right consistency. I'm using phthalo blue, phthalo green, quinacridone magenta, hensa yellow medium, and titanium white. And I've mixed them with Floetrol. Here's the yellow. It's a very nice yellow. It's a really nice, it's kind of warm, the yellow. I really like this yellow. And I think I don't know that I have the mixture correctly. Okay, so bear with me. We'll see how this turns out. I've got this orange here in the shot and I'm not even using orange tonight. It's an orange from the other night, so don't pay it any attention. Here, let me let's get it out of the frame. Now we've got other paint in the frame that I'm not using. Okay, don't mind all these paints. But anyways, I love these colors, but we'll see. Most of the colors seem to be transparent instead of, here I've got some yellow in my hand and it seemed pretty transparent instead of opaque. So we'll see what happens. This is the first time I'm using these paints. So I used a very tiny bit of paint with a lot of Floetrol to get the consistency. So let's get started. And plus, instead of mixing in these containers the silicone, I'm going to spray the silicone on after each layer of paint. Okay, so that's something different too. So I'm just changing everything up tonight. Forget everything you've ever seen me do. This is completely different. Okay, so let's get started. So the first cup, I will start with white. This is titanium white. Okay, some pretty good white. Then we'll go with the magenta. The magenta that I can't. Oh, before I put in the paint, I told you I'm going to spray some silicone in between. And that is a lot of silicone. So I don't know what it's going to do. But next we'll do the magenta. Okay. And I'll try to spray less silicone. There we go. Blue next? Yeah, we'll do blue next. A little bit of blue down the center. Spray. Green. Oh, I like the way it's looking already. Spray. Okay, what haven't I used? I haven't used yellow. Shall I use yellow? I don't know if I should use yellow. I should use yellow. Pour a little bit of yellow. And spray. Now let's end with white. A little bit of white. Okay. Now let's start the other cup with white. Magenta. Ooh, I think I shouldn't be doing this on the canvas. That's one lesson learned because I've got silicone all over the canvas. Probably not good. But anyway, magenta. I'm not spraying any in there. Next I'll do yellow. And a little bit of white. Excellent. Okay, so I am going to mix it up a little. Got a clean stick. Tiny. Good enough. I think I mixed it up too much. Yeah, see, these paints are, transparent, or I just used too much, whatever, too much Floetrol. Okay, let's flip. Okie dokie. We're flipping. Now let's pour this. I'm going to pour this all around. Okay. In the corners, in the corners, in the corners. Let's see what happens. Come on. Uh-oh, I don't want to pour in the green. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, I lost some of it. There we go. Let's get that in there. Right. Interesting looking. Let's move these paints out of the way so I won't spill stuff in them. Alright, so let's get the corners going. Corners. Okay, excellent. Now, ooh, I think my paints are a little on the thin side. I'm losing some of it. Okay, so let's try to get some cells. We're already getting some cells, but let's try to get more cells. Okay, I did not get a lot of cells. Got some teeny tiny cells. I do like all the colors though. I like the pinkish colors over there. The white is kind of selling a little. Not bad. But I was hoping for more cells because it's got a lot of silicone in there. But I'm not getting very many. There's like tiny cells, and maybe they'll develop over time. I don't know, but there's a lot of teeny tiny cells if you want to take a look closer. There's a lot of teeny tiny cells in the white. Not very many cells in the other colors. Let's move this light so you can see it better. I need to do something about my lighting. Next thing to upgrade. Now that I've upgraded my paints, next thing I will upgrade my lighting. How about that? That sounds good. But I like all the colors. Okay, thanks for watching.